Hey guys, I'm Dina from simplyhomecooked.com, and today I'll be showing you how to make these easy no-bake cheesecakes. Okay, they're almost no-bake. There's like 5 minutes of bake time. It's for the crust. You don't have to do it, but I recommend it because honestly, the crust in this cheesecake is the star of the show. It is so good. It's like buttery, graham crackery, and there's like tiny little bits of chopped pecans, and then there's a smidgen of cinnamon, and it's just, oh my goodness, it is just so good. The crust just takes it over the top. All right, let me show you how to make it.
All right, let's make the crust first. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of golden brown sugar, 1/3 cup of finely chopped pecans, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Now grab your spatula and combine everything together until it's well incorporated. Now line your muffin tin with 12 cupcake liners and begin filling them with the graham cracker crust. You'll need about a heaping tablespoon in each cheesecake. And if you have a few crumbs left behind, just go ahead and enjoy it. That stuff is so good. Now using the bottom of a glass cup, you want to compress the crust nice and firmly, or you could just use your hands, and then bake it for 5 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now in a separate bowl, add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese along with 2/3 cup of granulated sugar and give it a good mix using a hand mixer on high speed. Once that's well combined, you want to add 1/4 cup of sour cream along with 1/2 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then go ahead and beat that again with your electric mixer until it's nice, smooth, and creamy. Then you want to set that aside, and in a separate bowl, add 1 cup of cold heavy cream. Make sure your heavy cream is at least 36% fat or higher. That way it'll beat really well and have nice stiff peaks. So once your heavy cream is well beaten together, go ahead and add it to the cream cheese mixture and give it one last thorough mix using your electric mixer on high speed. And after this, make sure to scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl with a spatula just to get any clumps that might have stuck to the bottom. Alright, now take a round piping tip, add it to your pastry bag, snip off the end, and begin filling it with the cheesecake mixture. Now evenly distribute the cheesecake mixture right on top of the crust. Now top your cheesecakes with some fresh berries for pops of color and a little bit of tartness, and you want to refrigerate them for at least 4 hours before you enjoy them.
All right, you guys, cheesecakes are all done and it's time to enjoy them. I mean, look how easy that was to put together. I know there's a little bit of bake time, but really, who doesn't have 5 minutes, especially when it's something this delicious? All right, let's dig in. And I find it easiest to just enjoy it with a spoon because, man, they get a little bit messy. So let's give this a try. Got the crust in there. Here we go. That's so good. That crust, man. I wasn't joking, that crust. It is so delicious. And the cream cheese and the tart berries, oh, all that mixed together, it's so good. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Please make sure to share, like, and subscribe to our channel so you guys never miss out on any of our new recipes. See you next time.